Good day, grade 1. Today we're going to talk about a lesson that will surely be very helpful for you. And the title of our lesson is Identifying Two-Dimensional and Three-Dimensional Shapes. Now, what are two-dimensional shapes? Two-dimensional shapes are flat and only have two dimensions, length and width. They include squares, rectangles, circles, triangles, and more. Now, these are examples of two-dimensional shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Now, what are three-dimensional shapes? 3D or three-dimensional shapes are solid shapes that have three dimensions including length, depth, and width. These are shapes that occupy space. This means that we can touch and feel them. Now, this is a sphere. It has one curved face, has no edges, and no corners. These are examples of spheres. This is a cone. It has one flat face or base. Its base is round. It has one curved face, circular edge where the curved surface meets the flat face, and one corner. These are examples of cones. Now, this is a cylinder. It has two flat faces or bases. The bases are round. It has one curved face. It has two circular edges where the curved surface meets the plane faces. It has no corners. These are examples of cylinder. Now, this is a cube. It has 6 square faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. Now, these are examples of cube. There. Now, this is a rectangular box or a cuboid. It has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. Now, these are examples of cuboid. There you go. Now, remember, 3D or three-dimensional shapes are solid shapes that have 3 dimensions including length, depth, and width. Examples of three-dimensional shapes are sphere, cone, cylinder, and cube. And yes, the cuboid or rectangular box. Good job, my dear grade 1. Now you already know what the two-dimensional shapes and the three-dimensional shapes are.